Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a really easy fairy garden, and it's suitable to have indoors because none of it's got any like real plants and things in, so it's not going to attract bugs, and you can have it nicely displayed on your windowsill or whatnot. So I've got this thin tray that I got in the garden section of a shop, and I've got some fake grass and a birdhouse. These are the basic things I'm going to use, and I've got some stick-on tiles. These are clever tiles that I've got from Poundland, and some thin floor tiles that I also got from Poundland. And I'm going to use these to decorate the birdhouse. They're self-adhesive tiles, so you can just cut them to shape and stick them on wherever you like. I'm using these purple ones for the roof. These are ones that you'd usually use like for bathroom and kitchen tiles. Instead of like retiling everything, these are like sticky tiles that goes over the top of them. So I'm gonna cover the roof in these. I pre-cut these, so I didn't want to do all the measure and everything on camera. But you can basically decorate how you want. You don't have to use these kind of tiles. You can just like paint the birdhouse. I'm basically trying to make it look like a little kind of cottage. I cut some of the tiles in half as well, just to make a trim around the top of the house as well. And everything I brought to make this with, they all cost £1. Most of it come from Poundland, but everything that didn't also cost £1, like the tray and everything. Everything was £1, so this was a really kind of cheap thingy. So to actually cover the main part of the house, I'm actually using floor tiles. These are also from Poundland, come in a pack of 3. Again, self-adhesive, so you just pull the back off and stick them down. This was a wood effect one, and they're kind of thin, so you can easily like measure them and cut them with normal scissors. So you don't need anything fancy to do that. Again, you could just paint it. Like this one. This is the front one, and I did just paint the window and door on this. Quite badly, I might add. But yeah. And this is going to be the main like focus of my garden. And that's the house finished. Now I'm not going to actually glue anything in the garden down until right at the end. I just want to kind of plan it all out. Now this is actually a fake grass table runner for Easter, as in the Easter section of the shop. I'm just going to cut this down to the same size as the tray. And the tray is actually one of the ones that you put, what they called it, like plant pots in, so you can like water them from the tray, or it collects the water underneath. So I'm going to start like laying things out where I want it, and for this garden I want to cut out a small section of the grass, and I'm going to put a brown bit of felt underneath, and I'm pretty much just going to make it so it's like a little carrot patch. So I've got these foam carrots, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these up. So I'm going to cut the main bit off and just leave a little bit at the top, a little bit of the orange at the top. And I'm going to put these onto the brown felt so it looks like the carrots are growing from the ground. Again, I'm not going to glue anything down right now, I'm going to wait until I've finished. I'm also going to make a pathway using another floor tile. So I'm just going to make a windy path. I just drew on there, the rough shape. I'm just showing you here, normal scissors, just cut through it really easily. And then I'll be laying that in. And next I am going to be adding some mushrooms. Now these come on a kind of bit of wire, so I'm just poking these through the grass, bending the wire over, and then they stand up by themselves. So I won't need to glue these in after anyway. I'm going to add a few of those, and that's it. That's all I'm doing. If you want, you can get some like miniature garden furniture, like doll's house furniture, you can add that. But once you're happy, stick everything down and you're done. So thanks for watching. I'd love to see what you come up with. and see you in my next video. Bye!